students, welcome back to the tongue twister video. So this is the second video. In this video you are going to improve the sound of B, that is B and P, P sound. Okay. So what do you mean by tongue twister? In the previous video itself I told you, yes, tongue twisters are the words or the difficult words which are used to improve our English pronunciation. Okay, and if you practice well, tongue twister means it will also help your reading skills, that is your pronunciation, and also your memory skill also. Okay, so let's learn about the more tongue twisters. Okay, as I said, in this video you are going to learn two tongue twister. One is related to the sound of B, that is B, and second one it's related to the sound of P, that is P sound. Okay, and it will be very fun. See, let's start learning the first tongue twister. That is, first one, Betty bought butter, but the butter was bitter. So Betty bought better butter to make the bitter butter better. See, when I am pronouncing B sound, it should be B only, and T it will be it should pronounce like its sound. Okay, so and whenever you are reading something, you need to understand its expression. Okay, if you understand its expression alone, it will be very easy. See, first while reading for the first time, I will read slowly and you will know what they are trying to say. See, Betty is the person name. Betty bought butter. He bought butter. Okay, he buys butter, but the butter was bitter. It means what? He bought a butter. No, that was very bitter. Adu romba kasappa irukku. Bitter means kasappu. Okay. So Betty bought better butter to make the bitter butter better. So adukku enna pandranga Betty he wants to buy a better butter. Okay, ஒரு நல்ல பட்டரை வாங்கணும் to make the bitter butter better, to make the கசப்பான பட்டரை நல்லா ஆக்குறதுக்காக, பெட்டரா ஆக்குறதுக்காக. Okay, so I will explain this meaning also. So let's have fun while reading it. See, Betty bought butter, but the butter was bitter. So Betty bought better butter to make the bitter butter better. Okay, so this was slow. Let's read with a fast way. Okay, in a fast way. Okay, let's start again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now it's fast. Betty bought butter, but the butter was bitter. So Betty bought better butter to make the bitter butter better. Okay, you may have heard this tongue twister in the movies also, right? So it is very fun only. So try by yourself. If the first time you fail, if it is not possible, means try it again. Okay, keep on trying so that you will become the master of reading the tongue twister. Okay, so I hope you know about the first tongue twister. Let's go for second tongue twister. That it's related to the sound of P sound. Okay, that is P. Okay, so let's read out. That is, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Okay, here they are talking about one person named Peter Piper. So the person name is Peter Piper. What he picked? He picked a packet of pickled peppers. Okay, pickled peppers. If, next sentence, if Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers, Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers means where is the pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. So Peter Piper வந்து ஒரு pickled peppers வந்து அவங்க pick பண்ணாங்க. Okay, so அவங்க அப்படி pick பண்ணாங்கன்னா அந்த pickled peppers இப்போ எங்க இருக்கு? That is the meaning of this tongue twister. Okay, so now I told you the expression of this tongue twister also. So let's read out in a slow way. First time we are going to read in a slow way only. So see, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Full stop. We need to stop then. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, question mark, you need to pronounce like you are asking question. Okay, it should ends like questioning only. Okay, where is the peck of pickled peppers? Peter Piper picked. So wherever you see the question mark, you should pronounce that sentence in the like you are asking question. If it is sent with full stop, you should stop like you are ending the sentence. Okay. So I know you are getting these words in your mind. Now I know you know the pronunciation of each word. Now let's start reading in a quick way. Okay. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where is the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Okay, are you getting? You need to read out this tongue twister in a quick way only. You should not stop. Okay, let's do it again. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where is the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? See, I can do it means you can also do. You need to read the sentence first. Read this tongue twister each by each word and each word. Okay, so that once you get the pronunciation of each word means try to read it fastly. Okay, you need to try it out in a quick way. Okay, first you need to know the actual correct pronunciation of each word. Okay, you should not read wrongly. Okay, what's the correct word? If the word pronounced like picked means you need to pronounce like picked only. So what some students will do, no, they wanted to read out this quickly means they will read the words also in a wrong way. Okay, they will pronounce the words also in a wrong way, but you should not do like this. Okay, then you will miss all the fun. You need to read out all the words with correct pronunciation, so that it will improve your pronunciation. See, if I can read this fastly means you can also do. Okay, you can also try. Okay, if you try these words means you may pronounce whatever words given on you. You can also read out the English words in a fast way only. Okay, it is not only for you. You can also your parents to do with you, so that you and your parents and you and your family will have fun. Ask your elders also read with you, and you need to first you try by yourself. First you just go through by yourself. If you can means you can also ask your elders, and you can make competition and you can also have fun. Okay, so try this tongue twisters, children, and I hope you will get lots of fun while reading this. And see you in the next video by doing another tongue twisters. Okay, thank you.